Welcome to our channel. If you want to update your Garmin watch software, follow these simple steps to keep your device running with the latest features. Step 1. Download and install Garmin Express from the Garmin website on your computer. Step 2. Connect your Garmin watch to your computer using the USB charging cable. Step 3. Open Garmin Express and wait for it to automatically detect your connected device. Step 4. Once detected, Garmin Express will check for available software updates for your watch. Step 5. If updates are available, you'll see a notification showing what's included in the update. Step 6. Click Install or Install All to begin downloading and installing the updates. Step 7. Keep your watch connected during the entire update process. Do not disconnect it, or your watch may become inoperable. Step 8. Wait for the update to complete fully. Your watch will restart automatically, and you can then safely disconnect it from your computer and start using the new features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.